Hey guys, welcome to my video. It is finally time for our 3K giveaway. We hit 3K on May 2nd or 3rd. I'm not 100% sure because I have two apps that track it and one of them says the 2nd, one of them says the 3rd. Must be based on what coast they're based on, but we're just gonna say May 2nd so we can say we hit it earlier. So you guys have been very patient. We're already at 3,300, something like that, and thank you guys so much for that as well. It took me a while, first because I was choosing a palette. I had a really hard time picking a palette, mostly because I didn't love any of the palettes that came out, and then I was waiting to see what Jeffree Star was gonna launch, and then when he launched it, I was like, this is definitely not for everyone, although I did buy that palette, which you will see in a haul this week. And then the second reason, of course, with COVID-19 and then with everything going on for the Black Lives Matter movement, the world has just been, there's been so much more important things than celebrating 3K on my channel. But as always, when we celebrate hitting a milestone together, like 3,000, we celebrate with a giveaway. And that means that one lucky subscriber will get to create their very own EP box. EP stands for Everything Proof. It's also a nickname of mine because I use the screen name Everything Proof. And some people like to shorten that to EP because it's a lot easier. I am happy for you to do that, but the EP customized box is not a subscription box, it is a giveaway box that one subscriber that wins the giveaway will get to customize with 3 items. There'll be 3 items and then there'll be 4 or 5, and I don't even know, I think this is, 8. 4 or 5 additional items that I will select to put in the box. Just like last time, this giveaway is open internationally with a few conditions. The first condition is that whatever you select has to fit in this envelope or you have to pay for the shipping. So I will pay for shipping in this envelope because I can't afford to ship you a normal size box. Even though I love you guys, I really just can't. So even if it's international, Canada, UK, I know I have a bunch of you, you can win. Just like every week, there'll be 3 videos this week. Sunday, you're watching it right now, Wednesday, and Friday. The way that this works is that one of those videos will be randomly selected, and then one of the comments on the randomly selected video will also be randomly selected. So you can win if you just comment on this video. You can still win. But if you comment on all 3 videos, you have the best chance of winning because I don't know which video is going to be the randomly selected video. I try to do that because there are people that just look for the giveaway video. Like they just search the word giveaway and they find this video and they comment and they do all the things, and that's totally fine too. But it gives some of my subscribers that watch regularly a little bit of a better chance because there's 3 different videos, and if they comment on all 3 videos, they have a much higher chance of winning because maybe it'll be one of the other 2 that gets selected. I will post a video announcing the winner on this channel. Of course, that video must have the winner comment. When the winner comments, I will pin that comment so everyone can see that they have claimed their prize, and then the giveaway is closed. If I do not pin that comment in 3 days, that means we're gonna do another video and select another winner until we have a winner that claims their prize. As always, this giveaway is in no way affiliated with YouTube or any of the brands that are in the giveaway. I purchased those brands with my own money. You must be 18 or older, or if you are younger than 18, you must have a parent claim your prize for you. I will not be taking an address from a child. You have to be 18 years or older. So those are all the boring rules, and all the rules will be in the description box down below on this video and on the other 2 videos that are part of the giveaway. Now, let's get into your favorite part. What are the customizable options in the EP box? First up is this Ole Henriksen Balance It All set. This has a Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser, a balancing force oil control toner, and a counterbalance oil control hydrator. This set is water-based. It's perfect for oily or combination skin, and if you have dry skin, don't you worry. There are other items that you can customize. You don't have to select this one. I always like to pick things that in case you guys don't want it, I can use it, and I do have oily or combination skin. So the skincare will usually be skincare that I can use, and this is the one I selected for this box. The second item is the Morphe Rose Babe 7-piece rose gold brush collection. I am not going to open this up, but they are a little bit smaller size. I have owned this before. It comes with a case. Very nice Morphe brushes with a really black and rose gold look to them that is super cute. 7 pieces, whatever you'll need. I'll actually put a picture up of exactly what brushes come inside of this set. It has a powder brush, it has a blush brush, it has a foundation brush, and then it has a bunch of brushes for your eye. It says small shadow, oval fluff brush, pointed crease brush, chiseled angle brush, and small tubby. The next product is a fitness product, and this is from Magi Sports. It is a trigger point ball. So you can use this for yoga, you can use it for relaxing your muscles, to like massage your muscles after working out. That is primarily what I use it for. And here's a little example of how to use the roller ball. Next, I have a Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. If you've watched my videos in the past, you saw that I got this in a BoxyCharm Premium, and then I got it again in the Fashionista The Box. So I did not actually purchase this, but I wanted to make it available in case somebody wanted it because I don't need to anyway. It's not my favorite palette. I don't try to hide that. I personally didn't fall in love with it. The formula is fine and it doesn't get like muddy or anything. And actually, if you look at this color back here, instead of looking at what's in the pan, this is closer to the colors that you actually get. I will not be opening this because with coronavirus and everything going around, nobody wants me to open and breathe on this before I send it out to them. But I have my own, so we'll take a look at that one. This is the color story. It is pretty in the pans. Like I said, it's still a good formula. It still works on your eyes. It's just not my favorite palette out there, but if somebody really wants it, I left it in this giveaway. Don't worry, there's a lot of other choices, but I figured I do know some people actually do want it, so I might as well put it in there. The next item is this really, really cute, adorable Victoria's Secret backpack. I'm actually really obsessed with this. I debated keeping it myself. No, it's for you guys. That was its intention when it was purchased. It has all these cute little buttons all over it, and it's kind of like velvet feel to it. I think it's so adorable. I don't know, I'm really obsessed with it actually. It has this little cute chain here and black and gold. I just like love the way black and gold look together. It's pretty roomy. I think it still has all its fluff inside of here. If it gets shipped to you, I will probably remove this so we can lay it flat. And that means that it will probably fit in the international bag as well. So don't worry about that. We will find a way to fit it in there. The next item is a kitchen item. Some of my subscribers do not like makeup. Some of them do not need skincare or don't like skincare or don't invest in skincare. So I have to put a few other options in there, like the exercise trigger point ball and like this steel cocktail shaker. Super cool. It's by OXO. OXO is a really good company for any kitchen products. I actually prefer them to other companies. This is leak proof, dishwasher safe, and stainless steel. This is 24 ounce and this will not fit in the international envelope. It is so far the only product that will definitely not fit. The next option you could choose from is a shirt. This is one of my favorite shirts. It's in a size medium, but it's very oversized. I will post a picture of somebody wearing it that is not me. It is the softest, shimmery, most like beautiful fabric. I really love it. It's from one of my favorite boutiques, Nanomax. It's impossible for me to buy every size, so I just try to get a size kind of in the middle. I got it in a size medium, but I definitely think a large could fit in it, and I definitely think a small could fit in it. And our star of our box is the ABH Norvina palette volume 4. It's very beautiful. I've seen some people play with it. It's a gorgeous palette. It's perfect for summer. Has a lot of pink in there. So if pink is your thing, I don't mind having pink on my eyes. I just don't like pink in my house, in my clothes or my decor. This still didn't speak to me, which is why I never bought the palette for myself, but I put a poll up. If you guys want to be having an impact on what is in the giveaways, you have to check out the polls in my community tab because you voted and this is what you voted for. And again, I will not open this because this is going on people's faces. So we will not open this. I don't have another one to show you, but I will post a little picture over here of how gorgeous those colors are. So there were 8 items. You get to choose 3 out of those 8 items if you are the winner of this box. Let me know in the comments which ones would you pick or which one do you just have to have. Make sure that you watch Wednesday and Friday's video to give yourself the best chance of winning. As soon as they're posted, because they're not posted right now, but as soon as they're posted, I will link them in the description below. You have 1 week to comment on all 3, and I will close the entries Sunday night next week, 1 week from today. Just to go over how it works quickly, once again, all 3 videos will be put on a wheel. The wheel will decide randomly, I have 0 control, which video is selected. We go to that video, take the URL, then a random comment picker will pick 1 person from that video. That's how it works. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for 3K. It seriously blows my mind that that many people want to listen to me at all. I find myself very annoying on YouTube, and maybe some of those people do as well, but whatever reason you clicked subscribe, thank you for doing that. And you must be subscribed in order to win this giveaway, so if you have not done that yet, you can click that button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 3K, and I will see you guys next time.